Dear colleagues, dear friends, my name is Paolo Biban. I'm the president of the second international workshop on the intensive care of the newborn, which will be held in Verona next March 2018. I'm sure that after 2 days spent with some of the most prominent experts in the field of neonatal critical care, you will be able to go home with some very important take-home messages. And sharing experiences, asking questions to all these very nice people will enrich your curriculum and will enrich your confidence to deal with very, very difficult patients, as we do every day in our neonatal intensive care units. I'm very looking forward to meeting you all in Verona, and I'm sure you will enjoy your stay in our Congress. Thank you.